Unit 19. 1. Unit 19. 1. 2.
Old, hold, art, heart, ill, hill, ear, here.
3.
A horse, an elephant, a helicopter, an apple, a hat, an umbrella, a handbag, an orange.
4. 1.
Whose horse is this?
It's his.
2.
Whose elephant is this?
It's hers.
3.
Whose helicopter is this?
It's his.
4.
Whose apple is this?
It's hers.
5.
Whose hat is this?
It's hers.
6.
Whose umbrella is this?
It's his.
7.
Whose handbag is this?
It's hers.
8.
Whose orange is this?
It's his.
5.
Hotel. Honest. What? Who? Somewhere. Happy. When. Hour. Hello.
6.
Honest. What? Somewhere. When? Hour.